Hey everyone, I am Bridget. I am the CEO of My Girls Products. Just wanted to come and share my new lashes. I do have a Black Friday sale that will be going on Black Friday. 50% off the whole website. Anything else that's on sale right now will also be 50% off, which is all my summer items. So right now they're $5, and so they'll be 50% off too. So on my website I offer women's clothing, lashes, and next year I will actually be a wholesaler, a vendor for lashes. I will also sell them single if people want to just buy single lashes, but I will only sell just the lashes. I'm not offering any kind of special cases or labeling at this time, so it would just be just the lashes. So here goes the package. Everything has been wiped down. My hands have been washed. So yeah, so I hope everybody is doing well. At the time, we are stationed in Germany, so running a business over here is a little difficult because even though China is not that far from us, my package was here in Germany last Monday, and I've been going back and forth with custom. They even opened the package because I don't know. I've been going back and forth with custom, telling them I had to send over proof that the items are mine. It has my name on there, and it was just difficult. So if you ever get moved to Germany or overseas, this is something that you might have to deal with, and that's customs. Going back and forth with them. Okay. So, yeah, they already had opened the package even after I told them what was in it. Told them what was in it. Told them how many was in there, and they still opened them. So now, but with that being said, can somebody who get lashes from China, if you order your lashes from China, or a vendor who's in China, please let me know if you're in the States. Do you have this problem with customs? Because if you don't, then I have family that's in the States. I could just mail my stuff to, and they'll mail it back to me. Because this is just ridiculous. This is the second time I have had this problem. So now they're all mixed up because of customs. So these are pretty, even though it took forever for them to get here. I'm sorry, because I'm wearing a black shirt. Okay. I'll have to count them in a minute. I have a lot of lashes, and I love lashes, but however, my lashes are curly. Like, they touch the back of my thing. So these are 25 ml. So they have some numbers on here. So I might just be able to get them sorted. 26. So yes, I will start next year being a lash vendor. So if you're looking to start selling lashes, or just need to re-up on lashes and you don't want to buy like a whole lot, well, I will have lashes for you. And even though I'm stationed over in Germany, sorry about that. Even though I'm stationed over in Germany, even though with COVID going on, my mail out process is when you put an order in, I do mail out right away. So I mail out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it takes about 5 to 7 business days for you to get your package. And you don't have to like pay extra to get your package fast or any of that. So yeah, I will have these listed on there by numbers, and then you could just, you know, I will have them listed on there by number. However, I will have it listed on how many lashes by price, and then you could just send me a message on the number, which lashes you want and how many styles and you want of that kind of lash. So I have to count these. So yes, the lashes will just come in this kind of packaging. It won't come in any special packages. And I will start by, my MOQ will be started with 15 for $55, and then it'll go up from there. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different styles, and yeah. So thanks for watching. I hope y'all check out my Black Friday sale. I will leave the link in the bio and my Instagram so you can come and follow me. I will follow back. Thanks for watching.